What's up, my good people? We're here at the body shop, and I got a little surprise for you. Here's the homie's dog, Canelo. You know he's guarding the car. Now you know it's a privilege just to be able to see these bad boys. Yeah.
They gon' love me for my ambition. Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live.
California edition. Now let me go ahead and show you guys the damage.
Easy to dream a dream, though it's harder to live.
You know we had to take the gas cap off to match the color.
They gon' love me for my ambition. It speaks for itself.
I'm not even gonna lie, I was feeling a little underestimated because first off, I ain't never been around one of these.
My ambition to win, just to get me some ends. Help me pay my little rent.
Time for an oil
Maybe
change.
sit in the Benz.
Thank you guys